This is here. This little bridge. So what are we doing today?
Going canyoning.
We're doing what?
We're going canyoning.
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 Can you believe it?
I can't believe it. I can't believe that you guys talked me into this.
Yeah. I can't believe you said yes.
Oh my goodness. I can't believe I convinced Andre.
I said no 20 times, and then Fatima, if I'm doing, you gotta do it.
You were what, voluntold to come, eh?
Yeah.
So that's what we're doing today, and we're gonna bring you guys along on the adventures. So stick with us.
Hopefully this video makes it out.
Yeah. Hopefully we can come out alive when I can post this video. Saw us coming up here, and Ribeira dos Caldeirões. Let me just show you guys what it looks like. There's nobody here. It's peaceful. It is very calm right now, and we do have a group there already, not our group, a group that's already getting prepared, and we are meeting our group here in a little bit. But look at how beautiful, how lush this area is. I've been here several times. I don't think I've ever done a video on this park. Ribeira dos Caldeirões. And if you like nature and if you like waterfalls, this is a place for you to come. They have a little shop there, coffee shop. They have a gift shop as well that you can buy souvenirs at. And let me see if I can get the waterfall from here on this end. All the hydrangeas as well look really nice. Oh, look at this. Parque Natural de Ribeira dos Caldeirões. There you go, everybody. And am I able to get that waterfall? It's nice and cool. The sun is not out yet. Oh, here we go. Don't know if you guys can see it from here, but all the way over there, the waterfall. I will try to come back and film that. The little pond here, it's so beautiful. Look at how lush everything looks. Look at this view and how dense the forest is, and the rock. A lot of rock, bedrock. And I don't know how I feel about canyoning. I really don't. I am nervous. Like I said, I am very nervous. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this or not, but I'm going to have to try it. I have committed that I'm going to be doing that, so we'll let you guys know. There's our group there. So we've got Andre, we've got Jacob, Brittany, Fatima, Kenny, Megan, Vince, Rick, and Johnny. So we'll see what we do in that group there. And let's go see this fall here. walk across here and try to get a view of the other side. Oh, and the mist that comes from the waterfall right on me, just refreshing. Very, very refreshing, everybody. And look at this. Is this not just breathtaking? I like that little arch or that little tunnel over there for the bridge. And I'm standing here, but my legs are shaking because look at how high I am. I am shaking, everybody. Help me. Our guides have come, and it's Azores Splash. Is the Azores Splash Adventure is the company that we've decided to go with. Oh, he's from Brazil, so that'll be good. They can connect with Andre. All right, let's go get instructions. Hey! Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Morning, 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 morning. Now just saying you guys are Azores Splash Adventures. Give them a plug, you guys.
A splash? Yeah, don't splash.
So they provide everything, everybody. They're right down to the socks, the shoes, the wetsuit, the helmet. They provide everything for you. All you have to do is come with your bathing suit, they say, and they basically have all the equipment necessary. So let's go and get ready. I don't know how you guys convinced me to do this. Is what I want to know. Audrey, it's your fault, and I heard it was your fault, Brittany. They were telling us in the car it was you that had suggested that you wanted to do something. Brittany's fault.
Anything happens, Brittany's at fault.
Oh my! Did everybody sign their insurance papers, the life insurance? And Andre and I are just going to go to the bathroom before we get all suited up. Are you excited, Andre? A lot of neat trees. And there's that other waterfall that I was telling you guys about. All right, I got to hurry up because they're going to get all suited up and I'm going to be lagging behind.
What do you say, Mary? You ready to go?
You know what? I'm nervous inside, so I don't know how to explain it. I'm nervous, but yet excited at the same time. It's something that I haven't done before, something that I think I'm going to enjoy because I'm very adventurous. But it is kind of scary to think that you're going to be propelling down some cliffs and jumping into bodies of water that you're not familiar with. How do you feel?
Not for me.
This will be a once in a lifetime. It'll be a first and a last for you?
First and last.
All right. Well, we'll see how you feel after.
Yeah.
I'm going to ask you. Tá bom?
Okay, let's go get ready.
Let's go. Andre gearing it up. Everybody else is all geared up. You guys ready?
Yes.
Yay.
Ready?
And then I'm getting all geared up as well. All right, I'm excited. Fatima's acting all nice and calm, but she's probably the nervous.
Because I'm not doing any jumping.
You're not going to do any jumping.
Rappelling down.
You're rappelling down. Andre says he's joining you.
Yes, sound right, Ricky.
Mistura continental brasileiro, fazendo negócio. Poxa, vai dar coisa feia.
Oh my goodness. I guess I can't back out now. I have to do it now.
That's
To
it.
back out, you can end up over there.
We're over there, right? Oh, you guys going to throw me over?
Yeah.
When you have fears, I can help you all the time, okay?
Just push you. Okay, and everything's set, right? All right.
You
No
all right?
backing out now, everybody.
Good luck.
Thanks.
Yeah, I'm gonna dance over there.
This is because I didn't go ziplining. If anybody saw, if you guys would watch the last video, I wanted to go ziplining. I chickened out. So maybe that's something you and I can go back
It's
and
not
do.
zip lining.
I know, but I chickened out, but I think we're going to go back and do it.
No,
But at least I'm doing this one. I'm not backing out, everybody.
no.
Leave a comment if you want her to go zip lining.
Yes! Leave me a comment. Like, subscribe.
Hi.
Yeah, hi. And we're going to take a group picture here by the fall, everybody. Woo! All right, Megan, Vince, Brittany, Jacob, he's hiding, and of course me. Yay, Andre, come on, give me a yay, come on, yay. Sugar break, everybody, sugar break. We all need the energy. We are all still in good spirits. Thank you, Jacob.
Essa é uma caminhada diferente.
Are you excited now, Andre?
No,
This one's not that high, come on.
no, this is not a, no. I don't like the wetsuit.
Yeah, that's not.
You don't like the wetsuit, you said?
No, it's dry and warm. Brittany, the first guinea pig.
Can you see that we're all standing back here so we don't go?
1, 2, 3, see ya.
Woo-hoo!
That's not for me.
Ready? Come on. 1, 2, 3.
Um, dois, três. Smile. Ready? Ready. 1, 2, 3.
Last but not least, from here.
1, 2, 3.
Hey, hon, you did it! How did it feel? Wasn't too bad, eh?
My pants are wet.
Did you like it? Did everybody like it? Yeah! Woo! All right, here comes our guide. Woo! Nice! I thought he was gonna zip line it. Woo! All right. We just zip lined from the top there. It was a great experience. I want to do it again. I'm not scared anymore, at least on this one.
Yeah.
Right, Ricky?
We're gonna do more now.
Yeah. All right, crossing the river again. You got to be careful. A lot of rocks, slippery. So you got to be extremely, extremely careful. And this one you have to slide down, he's saying, right?
You go head first. That's it. You're gonna break all the rocks with your head.
Ready?
Hey, head first, not
Oh, not head first, come on.
Yeah, let's watch how it goes with this. Make it too hard. Okay, yeah. Wash it. Wait.
Legs and your hand over go like this. Ready to go? Ready? 1,
Let's
2,
go,
3.
Marion!
I would do that one again as well. Would you?
No,
I would. So much fun.
I'm still protesting. You won't.
You got it! You got it, Mary! One leg! You're a strong, powerful woman, Mary.
No.
Kick off! You gotta kick off! You got it. Shake the nerves off! Shake it
Ayun na.
I did it. Look at this, Andre! We're in heaven! Andre! Hey, we're having so much fun, honey. And you said you weren't gonna have fun. Did you like it? Woo! He likes it, everybody. We all like it. Good stuff. Super fun.
Two, three. It's good?
Super fun, everybody. Yeah. I highly recommend you do this if you're on the island. There's no way you can pass this up. Adrenaline kick for sure. And Andre loved it. Good job.
O nome da empresa é Splash.
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 Vocês só fazem aqui na Ribeira dos Caldeirões ou tem outro lugar?
Fazemos aqui na Ribeira dos Caldeirões. A gente recomenda para a primeira vez das pessoas, de uma forma mais divertida, descontraída, com saltos, tirolesa, slides, rappel. E tem um outro mais técnico também, que é o salto do cabrito, onde fazemos 5 cascatas, onde são cascatas mais altas e um pouco mais técnico. Assim, os dois são incríveis e fica aí a escolha. Que é um mais divertido, um mais longo, mais técnico. Tem esses dois lugares aqui.
E como é que acham vocês? É no website?
Temos o site da empresa, Splash.
Splash.pt.
.pt, exatamente. Splash Azores Adventure.
Ok. Muito obrigado. Foi um bom...
Obrigado vocês pela confiança.
Ok. Tchau.
All right, everybody, that's it. That's a wrap.
Don't look, don't think.